Okay, after pressing AC in the display you will get D option. Okay, so after that you want to go in the mode option. Okay, so you press mode 2 times. Okay, so if you press mode 2 times or in some calculator in single time. Okay, so generally if you press the mode 2 times you will get the option like this. Okay, the first option is SD. Okay, SD, REG and base. Okay, so we want to go in the option REG. Okay, so you press 2. Okay, first you press mode 2 times. If you press the mode 2 times you will get like this. Okay, SD, REG and base. Okay, next you want to go REG option. Okay, so for this you press 2. Okay, so in the mathematical model, okay, that is for solving the linear, quadratic and exponential model, you want to go in the option REG. Okay, in the REG option, if you press 2, okay, you will get the option like this: LIN, LOG and ESP. Okay, so in the option, now we are going to solve the model, linear model. Okay, we are going to solve linear model, so you want to press 1. Okay, that is LIN. Okay, so you want to press 1 LIN. Okay, so you press 1. Okay, after pressing 1 in the display you will get 2 options. Okay, one is D and REG. Okay, so ensure that the display there is 2 options. Okay, one is REG, okay, and other is D. Okay, so this is a basic step. Okay, so first you want to see, I am saying first you want to press the mode 2 times. Okay, if you press the mode 2 times you will get SD, REG and base. Okay, so after that you press 2. Okay, that is REG. Okay, so after pressing REG you will get the option like this. Okay, LIN, LOG and ESP. Okay, so now we are going to solve the model, linear model. So you want to press 1. Okay, so after pressing 1 you ensure that in the display only there are 2 options. Okay, one is REG and other is D. Okay, so this is the basic step. And next is, suppose I want to solve this question by using the model, linear model. Okay, so I am going to solve this question. Okay, by using a linear model. Okay, so how to solve this? See, first you want to type data in XY format. Okay, so that is x1 y1 and next x2 y2, next x3 y3, like that. Okay, so first you want to type the data x1 comma y1. Okay, that is, see, in this problem the x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2. Okay, so 1 is x1 and y1 is 2. Okay, so you type x1 comma y1. Okay, 1 comma 2. Okay, so after typing this format you press M plus. Okay, so after pressing M plus, the display will be like this, that is n is equal to 1. The meaning of this one is you enter the first data. Okay, so here the first data is, in the question the first data is 1 comma 2. Okay, that is x1 comma y1. So you want to type x1 comma y1, that is 1 comma 2 M plus. So after pressing M plus, in the display you will get the number n is equal to 1. That is, the meaning of this one is you enter the first data. Okay, so similarly you want to enter x2 y2, that is 4 comma 5. Okay, M plus. Similarly you want to enter the third data, that is 6 comma 8 M plus. Okay, similarly the fourth data 9 comma 10 M plus. Okay, and similarly the fifth data, okay, that is 12 comma 24. Okay, and then M plus. Okay, so after entering all the data you will get like this. Okay, that is n is equal to 5, because in our question there are 5 data. Okay, 5 pair of data. Okay, so we will get n is equal to 5. Okay, so after entering all the data, ensure that number of observation is equal to n. Okay, so in the sum we are having 5 observation. Okay, that is 1 x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and x4 y4, and x5 y5. Okay, so we are having in the last you will get n is equal to 5. Okay, so after n is equal to 5,